In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change keyboard language in Windows 11. Whether you want to type in another language or switch layout, it's super easy. Let's jump into the video. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search here Setting, open Settings. In the left hand panel menu, click on Time and Language. Now from here, click on Language and Region. Here as you see, English United States is selected. To add another language, just click on Add a Language. Select your language that you want to add, or you can search here. I will add Korean language. Just click on the language and then click on Next. Keep all the setting default and then click on Install. It will take some time to download and install the language on your computer. Just wait few moments. Once download done, here as you see another language added. It's Korean language that I recently added. Now I will close this window. At the bottom right corner, here as you see English, just click on that. Now here is two languages, one is English, one is Korean. Just select Korean language. Now to open on screen keyboard, just click on Windows Start menu, then search here on screen keyboard. Click on screen keyboard to open it. Here as you see Korean language keyboard. In this way you can change your keyboard language on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.